Do you love chocolate as much as I do, and especially chocolate ice cream? Well, I have an amazing recipe for you that's actually healthy but tastes delicious, and it's also vegan. Let's get started. I'm not sure what blender you're using. If you have a Blendtec or a Vitamix or a little higher powered blender, that's gonna be your friend, or it might be more the consistency of a smoothie. We're gonna do our best here, but I'm gonna add just a little bit of nut milk. Now, you could use full fat cream, you could use your preferred nut milk. I'm gonna do about 1/4 of a cup because that's what's gonna give it the consistency more of ice cream. So less is better. I'm gonna do about 1/4 of a cup of nut milk. This happens to be oat milk today. Now I'm gonna add in the dry ingredients. I've got a handful of spinach. You will not taste this, but it's gonna add a power punch of nutrients to your ice cream. You're not even gonna see it, so just throw it in there. Now we're gonna add the secret sauce of all secret sauces, which is Cacao Bliss. Now Cacao Bliss is raw ceremonial grade cacao infused with 7 superfoods. It's so delicious. It's gonna give you a power punch of nutrient value, and we're gonna add about 2 scoops because I like dark chocolate, rich dark chocolate ice cream. So we're gonna do about 2 scoops of Cacao Bliss. You could even do 3, and then we're gonna add in some nut butter. Now I have peanut butter here. You could use almond butter, you could use tahini, whatever floats your boat. I'm gonna do about 1 tablespoon because it's gonna really make this nice and creamy, and who doesn't like chocolate and peanut butter together? If you don't like it, you can leave it out. But I love this combo. I want all of it in there, and good. This is gonna add a little sweet element. I'm gonna add a banana. Now, if you're allergic to bananas or simply don't like them, you could use avocado instead. This is ice. I'm gonna add about 1 cup to 1.5 cups because I need to figure out the right consistency to make ice cream. So we're gonna throw that in there. See how simple that is? That's all we're gonna do. All right, so what we're gonna do is just put this in a bowl. You're welcome to top this with dark chocolate chips, cacao nibs, a little coconut, whatever you like, and you have the most decadent, delicious ice cream that was super simple to make and is actually good for you. If you wanna make this recipe and you wanna have healthy, delicious, decadent chocolate treats on hand, go ahead and click the link to learn more about Cacao Bliss or order yours today.